Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add this MacBook overlay on CapCut PC. So you are going to search this MacBook photo booth PNG on Google, and you're just going to select original for the size. You can add a background in later, but I'm just going to leave it like this for now. Well, actually you would want to add this as an overlay, and then I'm going to select mask, and I'm going to select rectangle, and I'm going to reverse it, and I just want to select the screen part of the video, like the photo, and then I'm going to add a video in that part. I'm going to add this one, and I'm also going to size it up like so, and then I'm actually going to again select rectangle, and I'm going to crop the video like so, and I'm also going to change so that the overlay is till the end of the video like so. Let's see. I'm just trying to make it perfect, but it doesn't have to be, so just keep that in mind. And then I'm going to add a background, so I'm just going to select this one, go to basic, go to canvas, and select either style or color. I'm going to just choose style for mine, and then I'm just going to choose something like, oops, where is it, like this one. Okay, once you're done with that, you are going to add in this heart filter. You can find it's like MacBook heart filter PNG, and you're just going to add it on top of the person's head, and you can move it around according to the person's movement too. So I'm just going to put it down a bit and add a keyframe here. So when the person moves, you're going to move the filter with the person's head a bit like so. And this is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!